This is a kitchen thing that I bought from this store. You can use this to put your pen. So I was thinking, I said, maybe I could use this kitchen stuff to put my pens. I got so many pens over here. I got so many pens over here. So this is a pen that looks like it's a pen, but actually, yeah, it's a knife. You can put in there. There's for crafting, and it looks like a pen, and we would remove it. Plastic. And then put it in the basket. And then you take all your markers. Put it like that. Or your pen. Like that. Pen over here. Mark over there. Pen over here. Pen over here. Like that. So we take this pen. Anyway, about this pen, it's $1.99. It's a clip clicks performance style. $1.99. 8 ballpoint from China. And I think this is only 99 cents, but they're selling it $1.99. Okay.